Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study the geography chapter, the hydrosphere of class 7, ocean current. Below its surface, the ocean has a stream of water continuously flowing from one place to another in particular direction. These are called ocean current. Ocean current are driven by various factors varying temperature in different part of the ocean, the rotation of the earth, prevailing wind, density and salinity of ocean water, the shape of the adjacent coastline. Generally, warm current originate near the equator and flow toward the poles. Cold current usually flow from higher latitude or from the poles toward the tropical or lower latitude. The Labrador Ocean current, the Benguela current and the Peru current are cold current, while the North Atlantic current and the Equatorial current and the Gulf Stream are warm current. Importance of ocean current. Ocean current play an important role in regulating the import temperature in different part of the world. For example, the warming influence of the North Atlantic current ensures that the climate of northern Europe is much milder than that of other places located along the same latitude. Many marine animals are able to migrate thousands of kilometers riding on the ocean current. Ocean current also facilitate sea travel. Places where warm and cold current meet are ideal for fishing. The turbulence generated when the two currents meet lead to an upsurge of nutrition from deep within the ocean. This fuel the rich growth of the phytoplankton, which in turn attract fish and marine mammals. The need for water conservation. Water is extremely important for life on Earth. However, various human activity affected the distribution, distribution and the quality of water, causing a scarcity of water. First, dumping of waste into the near water bodies pollute the water bodies, making them unsuitable. As urban area expand and more area are brought under construction, many natural channels of drainage get blocked. This lead to flood. Deforestation poses as major threat to water conservation. Forests help recharge groundwater. They also help bring rain. Large quantities of fresh water are used for a variety of human activity that range from domestic to industrial. This put great pressure on the water resources available to us. We need to take urgent steps to conserve water. Some such steps would include rainwater harvesting, preventing water pollution, reusing water wherever possible, and repairing leaking taps and pipes.